I think that my very strong motivation for the research is that um, we need to give teachers uh, you know a um, um, give teachers a good perspective on how they can improve their teaching. Because, when teachers are more experienced, they tend to be, they tend to believe in what they have been doing, and they hold on to their teacher philosophies for a long time without changing it. So it will be very important that they always think about whether what they're doing are right or correct and even up to date. So because the longer we teach, the younger our students will be, right? So it will be very important that we always keep ourselves abreast with the ongoing education setting. So that will be my motivation. I think the most important thing for a young researcher is to make sure they are in love with research. That's number one. Because if they don't like researching, they don't want to find results and ways out for a problem, then there will be, it will be very boring. It will be a career killer for them if they don't fall in love with what they're doing. So I think that's number one. And then number two is they need to know how to find out the solutions and the answers for their question. That is to say that they need to refine their research methods. They need to know very well how to find solutions and answers for their research question. So research method skills will be number two. And then number three is they need to know the significance of their study. What they're doing should be significant enough for the readers to know, to understand, and to do better. Otherwise, there's no point of doing a research because no one is going to bother about what you're doing, right? So I think that creating impact, creating a significance for the society, for education is paramount. That's what I think. Well, I always like Eurasia's research conferences. I attended, I think, at least 3 or 4 of them, and I had been a keynote. I think 2 now so far, and I had very, very good experiences with the association. It's very positive. The participants were very positive, and they were very eager to learn. And also, I particularly like the motivating atmosphere the association created for the participants. For example, they have awards for the best presenters, and now that I'm given another award as well. So I think that it's very, very encouraging for researchers, and also there is a very positive environment for the young researchers to learn from the more experienced ones. Yeah.